2015, John Key went over to the UN and announced that they were going to do the largest marine reserve in the world.
But there was no consultation, and I think on a point like that, that should have been.
To be blunt, I was pretty negative on the idea of consulting too much with a lot of people.
And it was a perfect opportunity for Te Hukai Moana to have been involved in that. But the government arrogantly just went ahead and made their own decision.
If civil servants of the state is not aware of the impact of that settlement on matters such as the Kermadec proposal, you can find yourself with settlements unravelling.
I'm opposing outright arrogance and an unwillingness of a treaty partner to talk to us about our treaty rights.
What we've got to do is assert our Indigenous rights in mana, be very clear who our advocates are, and then secondly, you've got to be very careful about NGOs, because NGOs are used internationally as a front for big money.
The forces behind them, who are very large, very well off, you know, we're talking billion-dollar organisations. They were just been part of the colonisation of us without worrying about and didn't care about Indigenous rights.